Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Wix to make a portfolio website. So first, you just have to simply go to wix.com and then get started with your Wix. You can try this Wix Studio, but you can also create using the wix.com. So if you tap this one right here, then basically it will ask you to start chat or set up without chat. So as a beginner, I suggest the second one. And then here you can add or look for the specific website that you want. For example, you will be creating a portfolio website, or let's just say creative portfolio website. So you need to tap this creative portfolio website, click continue, and then it's now preparing for your dashboard. So you have to wait a couple of seconds, and then here you can set up everything. Also, you can choose the application you'd like to add for your portfolio. So what you're going to do here is you have to select the application that you want to use there on your design or your portfolio website. So feel free to select or add. And then once you're done adding the application, you can click continue now. So you're all set. You can now continue with the dashboard or to your dashboard. So you have to wait again for a couple of seconds. And here it is. You can set up everything here. For example, your pay links, your payment method, and so on. To start creating portfolio website, just click design, and then you can pick a template here or generate a design. As a beginner, I strongly suggest you choose pick a template. So tap this one right here, and then you can search for creative portfolio. There are tons of portfolio here that you can use. And if you want to get some ideas from other people who's really good at creating portfolio, you can go to any other website like Google Web Browser and then search for creative portfolios and get some ideas there. Then go back to Wix and then select a specific portfolio here. For example, this one. You like this one. So what you're going to do is you just have to simply edit this. You can add elements and you can also enhance using AI. So this is your template. This will be your portfolio website. So be careful with adding everything here. So if you want to add something, you just have to go to the left side. You will see here site pages and menu. If you want to edit your site pages and menu, you just have to click this one. And basically you can add, you can delete, or you can drag this to anywhere here. For example, if you want to drag this up or down, everything is up to you. You could also add item or page here. And as you can see, if I tap this one, you will see the result on the right side. So portfolio, info, and Instagram. So that's it. That is for the site menu right here. That is the first thing that your customer will see to your website or portfolio website. Okay, so if you want to add another menu or item, just click this one. You can add pages. So you just have to click this. If you want to add URL, just paste the URL. And then also, you could also add something like if you want to add about your website, you could just simply click from any of this design and template here and then add page. You can also add like contact form. Everything is up to you. So if I'm going to tap this one again, then you can add this services, projects, contact, general, landing page, and so on. All you have to do is to click this add page and you will see this page right away to your template or design here. Okay, so let's just say if you want to add something also, store, bookings, restaurants, blog, everything is up to you. Just have to click that one and then edit. Then you will simply see the result right away. Okay, so for example, I'm going to add a page for my portfolio website, and that is, let's just say, contact. So tell visitors how to contact you. You just have to click that one and then add it right here. Basically, aside from that, you could also add text image button. If you go to add elements, you can add gallery, list, interactive, social, your social links, and so on. So these are the features that indeed very useful if you want your portfolio website to be more attractive. So let's just say for your contact, If you tap this and then go to color theme and customize color theme, you can basically do that. All you have to do is to select it, customize color theme. You can choose base color, accent color, and so on. Okay, so that's it. And if you want to add Wix App Market, just go to Market and then add your application that you want. If you want to add your store and then set up payments, just go to this part right here and then you can add stores, payments, and so on. So basically, that's it. This is what it looks like. And of course, you can edit and add more pages, add more elements. If you want, you could also change the name of your website or portfolio website anytime. For example, if this portfolio website is Andrea Clicks, I will be promoting my pictures, images, and all about my photography skills. So this is what it looks like. So I have set up or added some pages like my contact. I will also add, like, for example, images to showcase your pictures. You can also go to add elements and then tap image. You can also add videos here if you want. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm editing the name of my portfolio website. Okay, so this is Andrea Clicks. Okay, and then if you want to manage or change something within this specific page, then you just have to simply click and then click manage or change everything here if you want. Okay, so that's it. And to add more, just go to the left side, add elements, add pages, and you can basically also change or edit something here. For example, if you want to edit or add background, just click that specific section and then a small box will pop up. You can basically upload picture and then change your background right here. So if you want to change a specific section here, just click and then you will see an option right away to change something within this section. For example, your header and then your contact form. And if you want to change something on your images or gallery, if you have added this, then just click that one. You can also delete a page if you want. If you think this one is unnecessary, you can just basically delete this. So that's it. All you have to do is to add pages, add elements, and as much as possible, you must have your own pictures. If you want to showcase your products, then you must basically be ready for that. You need to save that on your computer or laptop so that it would be easier for you to upload these pictures here on your Wix. So as a result, this is a sample for creating a portfolio website. You are showcasing your skills, your products, and you are promoting yourself. So in order for you to do that, just create Wix account and then follow this tutorial. Okay, so these are, for example, my products. And as a result, I'm going to show you my portfolio website. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.